Hey guys, welcome to So Aldo. On today's video, I have a mini shopping haul. I haven't done a video like this in forever, but today I decided to do that because I went to Joann's. I went to bought a few items to add to my sewing stuff, and I bought some sewing patterns as well. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So I didn't get a lot. I went to the Joann superstore in Evansville, Indiana, and it was like huge, and I got so overwhelmed. They have lots of beautiful fabrics, and because I was overwhelmed, I didn't pick up any fabrics just because I just didn't know what to pick. But I decided to get some sewing notions. So these are all the items that I picked up today. I'm just going to randomly grab stuff out of the bag and show you what I got. So the first thing I have here is this one. It's called elastic threaders, and there are two pieces in there. One is in the lime green color and one is in the purple, and it was on clearance for $1.97, so I picked that one up. Yeah, I use a lot of elastic on my sewing, and this is like a step up to a hairpin or a hair clip to thread my elastic. So I'm super excited to try this one out. I actually have a sewing tutorial and I will be using this one. So this one was only, I already said, $1.97. So that's that. And I'm just going to toss them right there on the floor. Next is this one. It's a serrated tracing wheel. Yeah, I always wanted to try this. The reason why I picked this up is because I will show you in a little bit. But yeah, I'm very excited about this. It's a super cute, you guys. It looks like a teeny weeny pizza cutter. So I like that. And it was also on clearance for $1.97. So I had to grab that one. And I also picked up, what do you call this? Seam ripper. I forgot. Oh my gosh. So I picked this one up, and this was $6, I believe. Yeah, so I needed a new one because the other ones that I've been using is like dull. So I needed a new one, and I like that it's actually very big. You can see it's very comfortable to hold on to. And all the sewing notions was buy 3 get 3. Yeah, it's important to have like a sharp seam ripper. So that's that. The next item, I got a few sewing machine needles, and this is the ballpoint. I got 3 of this just because buy 3 get 3 items, so that was such a good deal. So I got 3 needles. Oh, there's one more, the universal. Yeah, it's always handy to have extra needles in your stash just because, you know, things can break, and if you are in the middle of sewing project and you don't have extra needles, that will be a disaster. So I love to keep extra needles. And plus, when I sewed the Filipiniana sleeves for a client, I broke a few needles, so I had to replenish my needles. And I also got elastics, just this knit elastics, just because I love using elastics in my sewing projects and I ran out already. I like using this one, the knit one. It's because it's soft. The other one that is super stiff is uncomfortable. They're cheaper, but they are not comfortable. This one is soft, and you can use it as an exposed elastic or exposed waistline elastic, whatever. Yeah, and or you can encase it as well. So I like to use this, and this is in navy blue. I was looking around in the clearance section. I found these little trinkets case or box that has like a transparent lid. I was planning to put all my needles in here, and maybe, I don't know, for here I haven't decided what to do with this one. And this was only 89 cents each. Guys, this is the items that you are going to be surprised that I actually bought, because I never use this in my sewing tutorials, like not ever. So I got some excuse me. So I got some sewing patterns. Can you believe that? This is going to be the first time I will be using sewing patterns in my videos. So I got this one because like my daughter likes their dolls, always like me to create outfits for their dolls. So I decided to pick this one up, and I believe this was only $2.99. And it's the Butterick B6318. I absolutely love the style. I have a fabric for this dress that I thought it will work really good. So I will be doing this one. Actually, I'm very intimidated using these type of patterns just because I know they don't fit me. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a try and see if, you know, I can easily alter them or something like that. So that's that. And I have another one from New Look. I made a lot of dresses in this style before. Yeah, but I decided I want to pick this one up because I like the detail on the bust area, or like the bodice. I like the shape of the bodice. I don't know if you can see that here. I really like this right here, that style. That's why I picked it up, because I don't have anything like that before, so I want to experiment, and I will be using this. And this was $2.99, I believe. $2.99 or $3.99. I am excited to use these patterns, and hopefully I will do a, you know, like a sew along video using these patterns. So yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. That's all I purchased. I am going to try to link everything in the description box below, just in case you are interested. That's it, everyone, and thank you so much for watching. If you like more sewing haul video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, I will see you soon. Bye!